Hello everyone. Want to change HEIC or HEIF format on your Android device to a classic JPEG? Here's how to do that. So basically HEIC is just a format, just a picture or video format, which is common for Apple devices. Most of the modern Android phones support them, however some older models or maybe just some different ones are not supporting it, and it's kind of fine. So let's figure it out. How do we make it work? First of all, open up your Play Store and let's install HEIC to JPEG converter. HEIC to JPEG converter. There we are. Let's search for it. So I'm going to be using the first one, this with pink thumbnail. Let's press install. There are hundreds of them. Choose the one which is looking at you. They're working pretty much with the same algorithm. So let's press open, give it some time to be connected, press consent, and you may see some advertisements. Let's press continue to app. This is totally fine. This is free application. Simply don't click on advertisement, close it, and you will be fine. Let's press open HEIC, press I know, and choose your file. So I believe it's in images. There you are. You can see it's in HEIC. If I'm gonna tap on it, it's gonna be loaded. Now let's press convert. After that, choose the output format. This application allows us to do it only in JPEG, so I'm gonna go with JPEG and press convert HEIC. Give it some time to convert everything. Now we're prompted to rate app. I'm gonna press cancel. All right, some advertisement going on. Let's close it. There we are. Now to save it, simply tap on the three dots, press save as. Now you can rename it. I'll keep the name as it is, press save, and it's saved. So let's close this application. Let's open up Google Photos. Let's press collections, and let's press on HEIC converter. There we are. Here's this picture. Let's tap on the info. I want to do it like this. All right, not like this. All right, about, there it is. And as you can see, it's in JPEG. Basically, that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.